Welcome back, gadget lovers. In today's video, we're exploring amazing Amazon cleaning gadgets that actually work. From smart tools that cut your cleaning time in half to powerful gadgets that tackle dirt like a pro. We've got the best picks for 2025, and as always, all product links are in the description. Let's jump right in. Scrubbing dishes just got an upgrade. The OXO Good Grip Soap Dispensing Palm Brush puts the power of a spotless clean right in your hands. A simple press of a button releases soap, while durable nylon bristles tackle stuck-on food with ease, even on non-stick cookware. Cleaning tough messes doesn't have to be a struggle. This handheld pressurized steam cleaner unleashes powerful steam to cut through grime, grease, and stains without a single drop of chemicals. From kitchen counters to car interiors, its 11-piece accessory set tackles every surface effortlessly. Blast away dirt in tight spaces, refresh upholstery, and sanitize floors, all with just steam. Deep cleaning has never been this easy, effective, or satisfying. A pool should be for relaxation, not endless cleaning, and that's where the BeatBot AquaSense comes in. This cordless robotic pool vacuum glides effortlessly, tackling floors, walls, and even the water line with intelligent path optimization. No missed spots, no tangled cords, just crystal clear water every time. Perfect for both above ground and in-ground pools up to 2,260 square feet. It turns hours of scrubbing into a hands-free luxury. Cleaning the floor used to be a dreaded chore. Dirty water, soaked hands, and endless wringing. But with the Joy Mop and bucket set, that all changes. This hands-free system washes and dries the mop with a simple push, keeping hands clean and floor spotless. The flat mop design reaches under furniture effortlessly, and the 3 washable microfiber pads handle both wet and dry messes. Ever struggled with messy soap bottles and soggy sponges cluttering the sink? This 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser is a total game changer. Press down with a sponge and just the right amount of soap dispenses instantly. No drips, no waste. The built-in sponge holder keeps everything neat, turning dishwashing into a smooth, frustration-free task. Less mess, more convenience. Because even small kitchen upgrades make a big difference. You're out with your little one, and spilled snacks, sticky hands, or a surprise diaper change. That's when the OXO Wipes dispenser becomes your best friend. One push of a button, and boom, wipes at your fingertips. The secure strap clips onto your stroller or diaper bag, so you're never caught unprepared. Slim, sleek, and designed for one-handed use, because parenting is already a juggling act. A ceiling fan spins quietly overhead, but over time, dust gathers, turning a once-clean fan into a dust trap. Instead of struggling with ladders and risky balancing acts, the Blade-made ceiling fan cleaner makes the job effortless. Its 3-foot extendable pole reaches high places with ease, while the flexible dusting brush traps debris instead of scattering it. A smart tool that transforms an annoying chore into a quick, mess-free task, because clean should be simple. Imagine never having to touch your trash can again. The automatic trash can with motion sensor technology opens up effortlessly with just a wave. It's sleek and self-sealing, meaning no more mess or lingering smells. With 6 refill rings included, you're ready for months of hassle-free use. Whether it's for the kitchen, bathroom, or office, this touchless bin brings both convenience and hygiene to every space, making trash day a breeze. Cleaning high-rise windows has never been easier thanks to the Hut Auto Window Cleaning Robot A1. Equipped with 4 water spray nozzles and 6,000 PA suction power, this robot effortlessly tackles dirt and grime, leaving windows sparkling. With its laser sensor detection, it moves safely across surfaces, ensuring it never misses a spot. Whether it's high-rise windows, glass, or tiles, the A1 is the ultimate solution for a streak-free clean without the risk. Cleaning just got a whole lot easier with this electric spin scrubber. Imagine effortlessly scrubbing away grime from your bathroom tiles or kitchen sink without the usual hassle. With 8 versatile heads and 3 speeds, it adapts to every surface. Plus, the bonus knife sharpener keeps your kitchen tools sharp while you clean. It's a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Cleaning the nooks and crannies of your car just got fun and easy with this car cleaning gel. This slime-like cleaner molds into every corner, effortlessly lifting dust, crumbs, and debris. Whether it's vents, dashboards, or seat crevices, it gets the job done. The best part, it's reusable, making it the perfect car detailing tool for anyone who loves keeping their ride spotless without the mess. Imagine a mop that does the work for you, without the noise. The EveryBot 3-spin robot mop glides across your floors quietly and efficiently, leaving them spotless. With its powerful 3-spin action, it tackles hard floors and tiles effortlessly. Plus, the large water tank means less refilling. Control it remotely, sit back, and watch this stylish robot take care of your cleaning tasks. Perfect for anyone looking to save time and energy. Picture this, you're sweeping up pet hair, food crumbs, and dirt, and this touchless vacuum takes over with its automatic sensors. No more bending down to empty the dustpan. It's fast, powerful, and bagless with a sleek matte black design. Whether in the kitchen or any room, this 1000-watt canister vacuum makes cleaning effortless. This bathroom soap dish does more than just hold soap. It solves a common problem. With its drain spout design, water is effortlessly directed away, keeping your soap dry and your sink area neat. Ideal for holding dispensers, scrubbers, or cups. This 4.9 by 3.2 inch tray adds a modern touch to your kitchen or bathroom, blending practicality with sleek style. Perfect for reducing clutter while maintaining organization. Cleaning just got a whole lot easier with the cordless vacuum cleaner. Imagine gliding through carpets, hardwood, and tiles with effortless ease. While its 2.5-liter auto dust base takes care of the mess for you. Lightweight yet powerful enough to tackle pet hair, this smart stick vacuum simplifies your cleaning routine and transforms your floors in no time, all while keeping your hands free from the dirt. Cleaning gutters just got a whole lot easier with this telescoping gutter cleaning wand. Whether it's high or hard to reach, this wand extends from 40 to 70 inches, letting you tackle the mess without a ladder. The rotating nozzle gives you precise control, while the 4-position head ensures you're always aiming in the right direction. It's durable, lightweight, and the non-slip grip keeps things steady even on chilly days. Tired of staring at those unreachable cobwebs in the corners of your high ceilings? This dusting kit is here to save the day. With its extendable pole, you can clean up to 20 feet high, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor spaces. The microfiber duster grabs every speck of dust, while the telescopic pole ensures you won't need a ladder anymore. Dealing with pet hair just became a breeze with this roller pet hair remover. This handy tool is a game changer when it comes to keeping your furniture, carpets, and clothes fur-free. Forget the mess of sticky sheets. The reusable design makes it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Whether it's for your couch, bedding, or even your car, this portable multi-surface roller is ready to tackle any hairy situation. Tired of the dust bunnies lurking under your furniture and appliances? The upgraded under-appliance cleaning gadgets are here to save the day. With its sleek microfiber gap duster and extendable pole, you can effortlessly reach those tricky spots under the fridge, stove, or bed. Whether it's a quick sweep or deep clean, this tool extends up to 55 inches, making it the perfect fit for any hard-to-reach corners in your home. Ever notice how quickly your keyboard collects crumbs, dust, and grime? The keyboard cleaning kit has got you covered. This handy set comes with everything needed to clean your MacBook, iPad, or phone. No more worrying about fingerprints or dust on your screen. With the versatile brush tool, it even tackles tough spots like camera lenses and earbuds, leaving your tech looking spotless and performing like new. This car vacuum is designed to make cleaning a hassle-free task, whether you're at your desk, in the car, or tackling tight corners. With 19,000 Pascal suction power, it easily picks up dust, crumbs, and debris. Its 4-in-1 functionality and Type-C charging ensure it's always ready for action. Lightweight yet powerful, it's perfect for getting rid of messes with minimal effort, ideal for quick cleanups wherever you go. Cleaning those hard-to-reach spots inside bottles and vases can be a real challenge. That's where the bottle dryer comes in. Its reusable drying heads fit a variety of openings, from wine glasses to water bladders, giving you a simple way to dry the inside without hassle. No more waiting around for bottles to air dry. This kit makes life easier, ensuring everything dries thoroughly, quickly, and without a mess. Ever found yourself struggling to clean those tough spots on your bathroom or kitchen tiles? The Tile Tub Scrubber Brush comes to the rescue. With 3 different cleaning heads and a 56-inch extendable handle, it tackles every corner without straining your back. Whether it's the bathtub, sink, or walls, this tool gets the job done without scratching, leaving surfaces spotless and shiny every time. Cleaning up after a mess doesn't have to be a chore. With the Bissell Little Green Cleaner, tough stains don't stand a chance. Its compact design is perfect for any space, whether it's your carpet, couch, or car upholstery. Featuring specialty tools for precision cleaning, it makes it easier to remove spills and dirt from all surfaces. Get ready for a cleaner home and car without the hassle. Forget the old, clunky trash cans. This motion sensor bin is the future of clean, hands-free waste management. With its 3-gallon capacity, this sleek, narrow bin fits perfectly in any space, from bathrooms to offices. The best part? Just wave your hand and the lid opens automatically. It's waterproof, easy to use, and helps keep things hygienic with zero mess. A must-have for any modern home. That's a wrap on amazing Amazon cleaning gadgets that actually work. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing finds. See you in the next one.